Moi kaikki! Eli tänään käydään läpi kaikki eri tavat that you can say I'm sorry in Finnish. There are various ways you can say or convey the meaning of I'm sorry in Finnish. I think the literal translation for saying I'm sorry if you're apologizing for something that you've done wrong or you've hurt someone's feelings, something like this. I think the phrase that you can use is Olen pahoillani. Olen meaning I am. Pahoillani is like feeling bad, I'm sorry. Olen pahoillani is something you would use in more significant situations when, you know, it's not just an, oh, sorry about that, or sorry, can I pass through? Not really in these situations. You would use this if you've, truly hurt someone, if you truly feel remorseful and you're apologizing for something that you've, some wrongdoing that you've done to someone, I guess. So you would reserve this for more, impactful situations. Because it carries a bit of a heavier weight. At least that's how I view it personally. Then in more casual situations, you can use anteeksi. 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 Anteeksi is more flexible. You can use it, for example, if you're trying to walk through a busy street and you're trying to pass by someone and then they're in your way and you're just like, anteeksi, can I get by you? You can use it, for example, to say, anteeksi, is that seat taken? Or if you're trying to catch someone's attention, you can be like, hey, anteeksi, and like wave and like try and get someone's attention that way. So it's much more versatile. And now anteeksi, you can shorten it a couple of times where it means the same thing. So the full word is anteeksi, but this can be shortened in puhekieli to anteeks. This would be, I think, the most popular way of saying anteeksi, like in everyday life. You're like, hey, anteeks, anteeks, blah, blah, blah. So that's the first way it can be shortened. Also, it's quite common to just say sori. Sori. So sorry, but like in a Finnish way. So a lot of people, if they're like trying to get by you, they'll say like, oi, sorry. Or if, they did something small to you and they're apologizing, it's like, oi, sorry about that. Oh, sorry, I'm late. Sorry, on myöhässä. Stuff like this is what you can use sorry for. So that was the 4 different ways to apologize in Finnish. So olen pahoillani, which is, the most impactful. You would save this for, if you're really apologizing for something quite significant, I think. Anteeksi, and then the shortened forms of those, which is anteeks and sori. So now I'll just go over a couple of example sentences where I'm using these phrases. So firstly, example sentence number 1 is anteeksi, en halua häiritä. Anteeksi, en halua häiritä. Häiritä. Anteeksi, sorry, en halua, I don't, I don't, en halua, I don't want to, häiritä. Disturb you. Anteeksi, en halua häiritä. Häiritä is to disturb. And then of course in puhekieli it would be anteeks, en halua häiritä. Anteeks, en halua häiritä. Okay, example sentence number 2 is anteeksi, voinko istua tähän? Anteeksi, voinko istua tähän? So anteeksi, sorry, voinko, can I istua, sit, tähän, here. Sorry, can I sit here? Anteeksi, voinko istua tähän? Or in puhekieli, anteeks, voinks istua tähän? Anteeks, voinko istua tähän? Voinks istua tähän? Example sentence number 3. Voi anteeksi, en tiennyt. So, voi anteeksi is like, or voi anteeks in puhekieli, it's like, oh, sorry, voi anteeks, oh, sorry, voi anteeks, oh, sorry. En tiennyt. Or in puhekieli, en tiennyt. Voi anteeks, en tiennyt. Oh, sorry, I didn't know. En tiennyt means I didn't know. Example sentence number 4 is Sori, pääsenkö läpi? Sorry, can I get through? Läpi is through, so pääsenkö läpi is like, can I get through? Sori, pääsenkö läpi? Or in puhekieli, sori, pääsenks läpi? Pääsenks läpi. Sori, pääsenks läpi. Okay, and last example sentence, so example sentence number 5 is Sori, en kuulu mitä sanoit. Sorry, I'm sorry, en kuullut. I didn't hear. Mitä? What? Sanoit. What you said. Sanoit. What you said, because the T at the end refers to what you were saying. So sanoin is what I would say. So I said. Sanoit is what you said. Sori, en kuulu mitä sanoit is sorry, I didn't hear what you said. Sori, en kuulu mitä sanoit. So those were 5 example sentences using some of those words we just learned. If you like these example sentences, let me know in the comments and I'll keep doing them. And yeah, that just about concludes this video. So till